Yo, guys, what is going on? It's your boy Silent Trader coming back at you guys with another YouTube video. Guys, today we're going to be talking about coming into the market at the perfect time. Guys, today we're going to be talking about price and time. So, we're going to get started here looking at Euro USD, right? So guys, the way I like to get started is do top-down analysis and find important zones where we see clear levels, right? So we see a clear level here, right? So what we want to do, we want to round this number to the highest whole number. So 15,900, like that number. Actually, let's do 1,600, right? Boom. Look at that clean level. As we can see, we rejected perfectly off that level. So we see another level here. Okay. Round this number up. Guys, we always want to round to the nearest whole number, guys. This makes us, this helps us find cleaner entries. So once you find your main levels of support and resistance, you want to go down to the 1 hour. I like to go down straight to the 1 hour. And, but right before we go down to the 1 hour, guys, always mark your weekly open. So we see this week opened over here. We're going to mark the weekly open price, which is 21300. 21300. Right after this, alright guys, now we have our analysis on the higher time frame. On the weekly, we go straight to the 1 hour, and we can see right here. Okay, this is the weekly open. Okay, this is the main level. Alright, so we got the weekly open here. Then we have a major level of resistance that got broken that now will turn into support. So we just have to see if this level will hold. So what I do here is I will take a box, a rectangle, make this zone right here. And if you guys do know anything about institutional trading, guys, this right here is a perfect imbalance where the market has a high chance of coming back to. Right around here, okay? So the way I would snipe into this market is that I would look for the last down impulse that takes out liquidity right before the impulse up to follow the trend, right? So we see this last down fluent full-bodied candle. I call this a sponsor candle. We like to enter off the sponsor, either the open and the 50 of the sponsor. So the open price would be 19947, so that would be our buy limit. Okay, we would TP. So what we would do, wait for the market to make its way back down, right? This is where patience plays in. Come back down here. We enter here. Our buy limit will enter us here, and we'll ride it right back up to this next zone, right back to this zone. Okay, guys, this right here is about 134 pips. Guys, look at this fucking risk to reward ratio. It's crazy. Can't get any better than this, guys. You would put your stop loss right below the last higher low and TP up here. Guys, 35 pips to gain 132 pips on the 1 hour chart is not bad. And if you scale down to the 15-minute chart, you could lower your stop loss depending on your entry, right? Okay, but keep in mind, we're always looking for time and price. Guys, main levels we want to enter at. So I like to call these my kill zones. For example, my London kill zone. Here's, hey, let me, first of all, this is the A range, aka the London session. I mean the Asian session. So the Asian session starts at 17 to 1. Okay. Okay. 17 to 1. So what we do is that we wait for our liquidity. This is liquidity, guys. So we wait for the liquidity to be taken out to then go in the direction of the trend. So guys, if you zoom in here, you can clearly see, for example, guys, look at this wick right here. This wick right here is the wick that takes out this liquidity to make a move up. You could bank quick pips here, guys. This is just one concept. Okay, that's if you're trading counter trend. If you're trading with the trend, we would be looking for entry above the liquidity to then look for sells, right? If we were to look for a snipe, we would look to enter on the open of this candle, the open of the last blue candle before the down move, and the 50 of that candle. Okay, guys, look at where this snipes us in. We're not going in more than, let me see, we're not going in more than 8 pip drawdown. 8 pip drawdown, guys, to gain close to over 100 pips. Guys, it cannot get better than this. This is clean. This is very clean. These are the type of setups that you want to look for. If you can find these setups, it's game over. It is complete game over, guys. Complete game over. Look at this. Look at this risk to reward. It's insane. Cannot get any better than that. Alright, guys, so I want to talk to you guys about the New York session. This is the session I usually like entering on. This session is one of my favorite sessions, guys. Just because this session offers the optimal trade entry for a continuation of the trend, right? So for example, and let me take this line. We're looking for a breaker between 3 o'clock in the morning and 6 in the morning. Okay. This time frame right here is going to offer us the best entry to enter here for a continuation of the trend. So we want to look for the breaker in between this time frame. Already see it. Already see it. Right? I already see it, guys. Last down candle before the up move. Enter on the 50 of it. Look at this, guys. Look at this beautiful breaker. You would have your buy limit here, and it would snipe you, and you would TP up here for 75 pips. Guys, smart money, man. It's all about trading with the banks. If you guys could consistently trade with the banks, it's game over for you. Your life's changed. Your life has changed.